Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm gonna actually show you how to get rid of the scratchy sound from your equalizer, from your amplifier, just about any audio device that actually give you audio. At times, these knobs they will actually become scratchy, meaning that whenever you're turning them up or down, actually giving you that itchy or that scratching sound. Now that can be as a result of dust affecting the contacts underneath there, also the faders. These also have a tendency of actually giving you that scratchy playing at times, especially if you're not using it often, where you would have stored in area where there's dust. So there are some simple ways. Now I would have been experiencing a lot of scratchy with these faders, so all I did was actually just slide it up and down. Now some person said you can do this about 100 times and it will actually works. Now I would have just simple done this about 20 times and it actually worked in terms of getting rid of the scratching. Also the knobs here, I think this one, the low or the bass, was actually giving me some problem. All I just did was just turn it right around, so fully, right? So you just need to go fully right around. So that's all you need to do. So do this, as I said, I would have done it about 20 times and it actually works for me. Some persons said that they do it up to 100 times. So this is just one way in terms of getting rid of that scratchy sound from any audio devices. So definitely have a tendency of affecting our mixers, also amplifiers. So here are some amplifiers out there. And this Gemini equalizer was actually experiencing some scratchy with these two main knobs, and I would have just simple turn it right and left, right it and left, and that definitely solved the problem. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on that subscription button. Of course, leave the comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.